What's going on, buddy? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I have my front wheel drive Honda under Dyno, and just giving it a quick test run because I just want to make sure that everything is working properly. And I'm going to be doing some test runs with it, or pulls with it today, to see if it's really adding up to what I want it to be. And only two things left to really do with it right now, and that's to spray the whole pink container, as I was talking about before in a previous video. And then the next thing is to install the magnets onto the roller here to get the proper readings from the software. So stay tuned for part 3. This is part 2, as I did the one before. You can go back on my channel and watch it. So yeah, this is good to the semi-finished product. I know they might be able to be touching here, but when the car is actually going forward, we're gonna see that being eliminated. So coming around the back here, I secured it with tie straps going up onto the body post mount, and yeah, use some electrical wire to secure it. And then down the bottom here, have a counter thing here for when it's pulling forward. But this is what it is, guys. Kinda looks sick, I won't lie. But yeah, that's only those two things to button up, and it should be done. What I'm really doing now is that the ESC that I'm running, it shows me like voltage and not battery temperature, ESC temperature and motor temperature. But the thing is that what I'm using it now, as I said before, was just to do some quick test pulls with it. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to turn on the ESC. I already have my GNS, I'm so used to that thing. My Hobby Wing wireless tuning Wi-Fi model inside. Just decided to put it inside of the fan holder, to maximize on space. So I'm going to go ahead now and link my ESC to the software. Hold on, guys, I'm literally doing this all by myself, so oh yeah, I gotta make sure that my Bluetooth and stuff is on. But yeah, so hold on, all that good stuff. That'll work, guys. But yes, we should be good to go. And now, as I have to be doing this outside because the dyno is very loud, and like any other car dyno, I'm guessing it would be loud, or it should be loud because of all of that pressure being put down here and power. But yeah, while that load up, guys, so really and truly, the only thing, as I said, there's a software for computers that you can use. It's called Simple Dyno, and that's what I'm going to be downloading and then putting the magnets here to really catch the reading, as I said before. But I hope things really turn out good with this. This body is very lightweight, that's why I have it on right now, plus it can show you all of the dynamics, plus it will be able to, as I said before, show me if stuff is lifting on the gears. Well, not really on the gears, mainly on this that pinion gear, spur gear, yes, spur gear. So yeah, guys, so that's why I really like having this, because it really shows me at a stance to the things that are actually giving out and the things that are actually going bad. So yeah, I think it's loaded now, so let's go back over here. And then these are the previous settings that I had going on this thing. Glare is beating me bad, guys. So as you can see, I have, what is it here? It's, I have turbo timing 4 degrees, and might turn that down, but actually I'm gonna wanna export this and save it, because I'm gonna be trying to tune from a new setup just to see how it works. I'm gonna make a new one. We call it bass tune. It's kinda actually a good tune, so I won't lie. But I wanna see how far we can put it. So you guys are gonna go ahead and save this as bass tune. Yep, save that. Okay, that's saved. And then now I'm going to make a new tune. I'm going to turn the punch all the way down to, let's find the punch, which is start mode. Let's see, here we go, punch start mode. See, I'm going to turn all the way down to level, basically making a new tune, basically to see how it will work. I'm going to turn the punch, aka start mode, down to, you just get used to the launch of the car and turn it down to 3, was on 6, and then see if it will make any difference. So let's make a pull, guys, and then see how it goes. So not bad. It's holding up. All that hard work paying off, you know. Well, so far so good, I should say. So let's see now, guys. Oops. Let me see if I can lower back the parameter settings now. Oh, it's some madness. Okay, so let's load up back the AC settings now. Put in my code. So, okay. Alright. So for that, okay, then let's go back into parameters now. Car, and see what it registered. I know it's challenging because it flips the screen different angles multiple times. But let's see what it registered for that session just now. Loading. Not bad, guys. When it's shut, you know, because that's a vibration. But let's see, it's loading. I say, you know, this thing can be very fun, you know, once I load up back there, load up the software onto it and get the necessary things, and it shouldn't be too bad. As I said, if you notice that the car started pulling forward, so there's no touching on the base area there, so we'll see. It's taking a minute to load. Okay, guys, so there's no data logged for that run, but as you can see, max AC temperature, max motor temperature, you know, battery voltage, max motor, RPM, AC mode, all that stuff. So let's do another one and see. So let's check the data again and see if it locked. So yeah, guys, for some reason there is no data loading up onto the AC. I'm wondering if it's not running long enough to capture that data. maybe it has have to have a longer run time. But as I said, guys, this is just a trial and error. That it actually works and it's holding the power. It's not really going anywhere. Yeah, we're gonna definitely work on getting the software and mounting up the necessary things to read the data from here instead of from the AC, because it does read. I'm guessing that it actually has to do the runs and has to run for a specific amount of time to give you that reading. So like, share and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned, there'll be more on this. Have more content for this car as well. Did a new to custom wing around the back here, a lot more to come, so stay tuned. Drop a like, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.